So now we've turned our guest over to a face-up position, making sure that they're comfortable and that there's support underneath the knees if necessary. And we're going to start the face-up ritual with the marble, or in some sets, the agate comb. So we're going to gently turn the head. So we're cradling the head with the opposite hand. And again, we're going to use those same light strokes. So we're going to start at the shoulder and then just gently introduce them to the sensation and pressure of it. Again, about the pressure of a dime, coming all the way up, tracing the ear all the way up to the midline and the crown of the head, and then just make your way all the way down as far as you can, tracing the top of the head. So we're going to do that 3 times is a good number. It's a very hypnotic number to do anything new in a ritual. And we're going to do a 3rd time, a little more toward the back of the shoulder, turning the head a little bit more, and just getting them introduced again to the sensation of it. And then we can actually comb the hair down as we rest the head in a neutral position. And then we're going to use it actually a little more like a comb. And we're moving our way into the opposite side. And then same way, we're going to cradle the head and begin the movements going up from the shoulder all the way up. Again, really super gentle pressure coming up, tracing around the ear and gently covering the scalp. 2nd pass, and just noticing their reaction, their breath. Very enjoyable, very relaxing, bringing in the quality of energy of your particular stone. And we gently move into a neutral position here. And then once again, we go ahead and we start combing the hair. There's lots of, we're on some master meridian points of gallbladder, and that wraps all the way around the ear and around the head. But there's also many other micro stimulation points all along the neck and head, and actually the scalp and the face. So again, this is just really gentle, and it actually even combs the hair.